there are emerging new areas of human rights. I think there are tension areas like gay rights. Mheshimiwa, you are aware of that?
No.
To do research in certain emerging areas, tension areas, and areas that need clarity. So that is a funds issue. Asanteni.
We want to start on a new round of issues, but also from what I hear from your presentation.